Hello everyone, welcome back to My Fluency Journey, and in this video we're going to talk about some random topic for 5 minutes. So the first topic is how books have shaped my thinking. So according to me, one of the most important things in the life is reading, because you are eventually what you learn and retain. So reading is one of the most basic skill, but more most productive skills in the human life. So you should always learn and always read new things and explore more subjects and read different type of genres and different type of books and different type of authors, different type of philosophies, different type of religions, different type of self-help books, productive books. So I will recommend you reading the books. So yeah, you should read you should read books, and and literally the books can influence your mind, enhance like dramatically or very courageously. So currently I'm reading this book, The Sapiens by Yuval Noah Harari. So the book is extremely written, extremely well written, and you can learn so much about human history and human nature. And I will recommend everyone to read this book, because this book has the book has started from our ancestors, our hunter gatherers, to tell the history of from hunter gatherers, um, Neanderthals before 10 to 20,000 years, or before to till now, and it describes each concept, how humans evolved in such a way, how they are doing their work correctly, or what made humans humans. So what are the qualities in the human that made humans so selfless and so selfish that they extinct they extincted, or they uh, extincted many uh, species. So why this happened? So this book is very well written, so I recommend. And it one of the basic concept it revolves around is evolution. So if you believe in Charles Darwin theory of evolution, then this book is a must read for you. And if you are wanted to know more about human behavior, human nature, human psychology, then you should read this book, because it provides an immense knowledge on these topics. And why why books shaped my thinking and my conscious thinking, also the subconscious thinking, because when you read the book and when you read aloud, the words are flowing through your ears and also into your subconscious mind during reading, and or when you sleep during night, the books your subconscious mind work, and your listening get more retained and goes to your subconscious mind. So you should read books. uh, the books uh, the first book I read was Atomic Habits. It completely changed my life. Firstly, I did not know about what habits are, how do we create a new habit, how we can remove a good habit, or how we can remove a bad habit from your lifestyle, or how we can include a very good habit which is not uh, looking to us as worthy. But but, but by reading Atomic Habits, I got to know that the small steps, or the very basic small steps in your entire process, can actually change your entire life. So you must focus on these tiny activities in your daily life, and you will eventually change your entire day or entire life by doing these tiny changes over consistently over a long period of time. So please be active, please be growth minded. And also, the second book I read was The Mindset, and the third book I read was The Psychology of Money. So I'm and the fourth book was Grow Rich, Think and Grow Rich, and the fifth book I read was The Psychology of Money. I got to know about the scientific prayer, why it worked, because it related to subconscious mind, and until now, no one know the science behind our subconscious, how our subconscious mind work, how uh, it worked, and how it worked actually doesn't know, means no scientist in the world has know, but there are some basic theories about it. Proved no one has proved the theories. So yeah, you should read books. It will eventually change your entire thinking processes behind every conscious action you every conscious every conscious action you take. So therefore, you should read books. I also read books consistently, 1 hour daily. I will always have time. You will always have time, no matter what you do. So yeah, okay. So these are more or less about the books, and yeah, you can change your entire thinking processes by reading book. So I prefer reading 1 hour daily. You can also uh, change upon your. You can also change the habit pattern upon your. Firstly, I should recommend you should read Atomic Habits, because it completely changed my life. It completely changed my life. It miraculously changed my life from being a lazy person to an active person, from being an introverted person to extroverted, or being a shy person to more able to communicate with others. I'm currently introvert, but I'm not shy person. So initially I was a shy person, but now I'm not a shy person. I'm able to I'm able to speak more fluently, and I'm shy of being speak in public, and I'm shy of being speaking with others in families, in wedding ceremonies, and other family functions. But now I'm able to speak due to this practice of due to this practice, because one one main formula is, or one my main belief is, practice makes the man perfect, and I always follow this, and I will always follow this. I will. So please listen to this book or read this book, because reading is one of the most essential skill. If you learn to master the skill of reading and retention. So yeah, okay. Thanks for watching. Please support me for support me in the YouTube, because I'm new to the YouTube. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.